CAD station. In this tutorial, we are going to perform an assembly drawing. Let's see, here is the assembly drawing. We are going to perform this. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, go to new and part. Okay. Now, first thing we are going to draw is this shaft. First, we draw this shaft, its handle, and this hinge. Then we assemble it, and then further we go to complete assembly. So let's start a sketch. But keep in mind we are going to draw in inches today. So first of all, let's find the shaft. Here's the shaft that we have to draw. So first of all, here is it's a sketch. So I'm going to draw on front plane a sketch. Line command, from origin I'm just drawing a rough sketch. And it's finished. Okay. Now smart dimension. This bottom line is 0. Let's zoom it. 0.438, 3.75. 3.750. It's 3.750. 3.750 plus next is 0.875. 0.875. Okay. Now this height is 0.313. 0.313. Okay. Now this part is 0.438, which is the head of our shaft. It's 0.438. Okay. Next is 3.750. This is step 3.750 step size, and then this last edge side is 0.875. It should be 0.875 by default. Yeah, you can see. Okay. Now the heights, first height is 0.125. 0.125. 125. Okay. Now this height is 0.188. 0.188. Okay. Now it's complete. Next is go to features and revolved boss base. It's asking axis of revolution, so select this axis of revolution. Okay. Now it's complete. Next thing you have to is the threading on this shaft. So for threading, here's the dimensions for threading. So let's first of all select front plane, Control 8, sketch. Okay. First thing, select line from origin to a straight horizontal line, escape, and make its dimension as 3.750. Okay. Now it's the most important step. You have to exit a sketch from here. That I have done right now, or you can simply 2 or 3 click on your desktop. Then again go to front plane, sketch. You have to select second sketch. Now select line, zoom here. From this edge find the that show, form a geometry like this, escape. Now smart dimension, the angle between these two sides is 60 degree. These two sides is 60 degree, And now this side is 0.016, it is of 0.016. Okay, and one more thing, we have 0.154, the line we have made in the previous sketch to this bottom line distance 0.154, from here to here 0.154. now it's complete. Go to features and swept cut. Okay, it's asking in first step you have to select the sketch you have made in like this geometry. Then it's asking the path, it shows the path direction. So for path, expand this tree and find the sketch to select this. And now go to options, or wait a minute, you have to go guide curves. Okay, it should be here, let me find. It's not here, not here. First option, yeah, no, it's not options, it's follow path, specific twist value, yeah, and make it degrees to revolution and mention uh 60 revolution. Okay, it shows you. And okay, right, one more thing, you can see, it's up to you. You can see here is a solid part, but you can't find any this edge in a shaft in which there is threading, so I am going to cut it more. So select this. First we have to convert it into sketch. For this, simply I select extrude cut, it shows convert entities, I have click. And now features, extrude cut through all. Okay, it's a simple step, it's better to make your habit to done complete steps. Okay, now this shaft is ready, but you can see here we have a hole in our shaft. Where is shaft? Yeah, you can see here is a hole of 0.266. So again, front plane, sketch, circle, you can normal it, find the center point from here and here. You can see how I find the center point. You can see smart dimension is die 0.266, 0.266. And the final step, features, I have to cut it. So extrude cut, I am going to cut it in mid plane and no, through all both. I have to erase it. So extrude cut, it's done. Now the next thing is appearance. I'm just going to make some appearance of this shaft. Okay, it's good. Now save this, save all. I'm going to save it in a documents and making a new folder as let's make it name of assembly drawing. Okay, and make its name as it's our shaft, shaft, shaft. Okay, now again go to new part, keep remember to change the unit system ms to IPS. Okay, the next thing we have is in page number 53, it's shaft handle. Okay, so for shaft handle it's die 0.266, front plane, sketch, simple circle, its dimension is 0.266 dia. Okay, and now features, extrude. I have to extrude it, you can see here 3 inches. Okay, I have to extrude it up to 3 inches. So now here is a problem, or you can see say you made here a problem. Let's see, I am going to direction and make it mid plane, then 3 inches. Why I ask you to draw in mid plane? It's a problem that we will deal when we are doing assembly. So once in this step, try to extrude it in mid plane. Okay, click here and change its appearance. Okay, it's good. It's save it as shaft handle. Okay, next, again new document, part and IPS. The next thing we have to draw is shaft hing, which is here. So first we have to draw a circle of 0.75 dia, front plane, circle, it is of 0.75 dia, and we have to extrude it up to 0.75. Zero point 0.375. First we have to extrude. Here you can see I'm highlighting it, 0.375. So features, extrude, and I'm going to extrude it by mid plane, 0.375 its dimension, and okay. Again go to select front plane, sketch, draw a circle from origin. You can simply press Ctrl 8 to make it normal, but it's okay for me. So the inner circle is of, let me find where is the dimension of, where is the dimension of, yeah, here is 0.250. so make it 0.250. okay, and it is going to extrude up to 0.75. Here is 0.75. Features, extrude 0.75 and mid plane. You can see it's going both sides. Okay, and one more thing, again go to right plane. This thing has, yeah, you can see this thing has a hole of 0.250 in front. So front plane, sketch, circle from origin, let's show you, it's normal, it is of 0.250. okay, now extrude cut it. Features, extrude, no, it's extrude cut through all both, and no, we have to make it one direction, blind. Okay, let's first extrude cut. Yeah, it's going one direction, and cut it, because it's going to the end of our shaft. It should be, or let's find it. page 26, go to page 26. Let's see, this thing is, yeah, this thing is closed at the end, so it's going to be only one direction extrude cut. Change its appearance. You can make it, okay, this color is okay for me, and save this as shaft hing. Okay, now our shaft parts are ready, so start assembly. Okay, now in assembly, first of all, keep remember changing unit system is not going to be select right now, but we can. One most important thing, go to this icon and click on view origins. Okay, now go to this browse option, or if your this side is not appearing, then you can simply go to assembly tab and insert components. It will show here if not showing here. Browse, I have to first shaft. Okay, and I want both origins, our assembly origin and my shaft origin, will coincide. Let's see if I just maintain by this, but if I rotate my mouse, then you can see it is going to be different directions. So to make origins coincident, just your mouse cursor go to this origin, it's automatically coincides. Click here, and now change unit system IPS. Next thing, I'm going to select this right now. Next thing, go to insert components, and remaining thing, shaft handle and shaft hing open. Shaft handle is going to be used here, and shaft hing is going to be here. You can place it anywhere in your working window. Now the most important step in assembly drawing is the matte options. So here is the matte option. Okay, what's matte done? Matte's simply line the objects which I want to, just like I want this shaft, this handle shaft will go inside the this hole. That's not done by any other command, we have to use matte. So select this face and select this hole. Okay, you can see it's just go to inside. Click here. The next thing you can see, it's moving. I want it to be fixed. To fix, I simply select this origin and coincident. Okay, it's saying something, we can let's wait, we have to fix it, and we can select these two. It's not okay, we have to not do right now. First make this, you can see, again go to matte, select this inner side, and okay, first go to matte, select this hole and this shaft, then again make it little distance, go to the inner face that's touch the shaft. Now select this, and okay, now it's done. Now it's stamped for this shaft. Let's try again this point and this point, and select coincident. It's not going to be coincident because this origin is at the end and this one is here. So we can select, we can done it through another way. Matte, select this and go to part and find the where is front plane and make a distance of, here is distance 1.5. That's the mid of my shaft, as I have drawn 3 inches shaft, so it's done. Okay, now you can see it's fixed right now. Close it, spacebar, isometric view. Yeah, here is isometric view. You can see our shaft is ready. It's the half part that I have drawn shaft. Now I have to draw remaining parts, so close it and save it. Yeah, rebuild, save it as shaft assembly.